Welcome back. Let's turn to the top election story in our war for the states. And we turn to the state where it's really a war, Bengal. The ugly face of politics, a massive political row erupting after a BJP worker and his 85-year-old mother were allegedly assaulted. They claim by Trinamool workers, the BJP putting out posters claiming that the victim is the real Bengal ki beti. The TMC, though, has accused the BJP of spreading lies that the woman was actually assaulted because of a case of domestic violence. What's the truth? Here's a report.
Sickening and shocking. An 85-year-old woman is brutally assaulted. Her swollen and blood-spotted face reflects the gory side of Bengal's poll battle. Shobha's son, who was also attacked by the masked goons, squarely blames the ruling Trinamool Congress for the assault.
মা ওইখানে মা হাঁটাচলা করতে পারে না, মা ওইখানেই বসে, রাত্রিবেলায় উনি ঘুমায় না, ঠিক আছে, ওইখানে মা নিটের তেলের তখন তিতকার তেতাবেতি তুলতে মা ওইখান থেকে চিল্লাচ্ছিল, ওরা ওইখান থেকে ঘর তোপ কেটে মারে ধরেছে।
What followed next was an ugly war of words. The BJP put up posters across the state slamming TMC's Bengal Ki Beti campaign.
80 साल की एक माता जी बूढ़ी एकदम उसको कैसे बुरी तरह मारे हैं। ये कहाँ का संस्कृति है? संस्कृति करके ममता बनर्जी चिल्लाती है। क्या दल अब चला रही है? क्रिमिनल्स और रेपिस्ट और मर्डरर का दल है एक।
The TMC launched a counter. The party accused the BJP of violence. Ruling party MP Nusrat Jahan claimed that the attack was a result of a family feud.
ऐसे कोई झंझट में, माँ बेटा की झंझट में, पारिवारिक झंझट में हमारी तृणमूल अभी जाना बंद कर दिया क्यों इलेक्शन शुरू है। ये सरासर गलत है तृणमूल के खिलाफ बोलना, और ये अपनी पार्टी के अंदरूनी मामला है बीजेपी का, इसमें तृणमूल का कोई लेन देन है।
The victim's family is divided. Her grandson Gobindo says that she has been unwell for a long time and that the fight was a family dispute.
তৃণমূলের কোনো দোষ নেই, তো কোনো দোষ নেই তৃণমূলের। আমার ঠাকুর আমি জানি 3 বছর ধরে বিছনা সজ্জা রয়েছে, অসুবিধার কি আছে? আমি জানি না, কিন্তু আমার মনে হয় এটা স্থায়ী। রাজনীতি কোনো ব্যাপার হতে পারে না।
আপনার কি মনে হচ্ছে কি হতে পারে? এটা কি পারিবারিক ব্যাপার?
পারিবারিক ব্যাপার।
কেন বলছেন আপনি?
কারণ উনি আমার ওই গোপাল মজুমদার, উনি আমার কাকা শ্বশুর হয়, তার মা আমার ঠাকুমা শাশুড়ি হয়। উনি যখন সুস্থ ছিলেন আমাদের বাড়িতে আসতেন, প্রায় মাঝে মাঝেই বলতেন ওনার ছেলে এরকম অত্যাচার করে।
কে বলতেন এটা?
ওই ঠাকুমা বলতেন। মানে আমি 1 মাস 1.5 মাস, আমি তো পার্টিকুলার ডেট তো বলতে পারবো না। হ্যাঁ, তাই আমি দেখেছি এরকম হয়েছে।
As the two sides continue to wage a war for votes, caught in the crossfire, of course, is the Aam Aadmi. This time, an 85-year-old ailing woman. The big question, of course, is will she get the justice, and will the perpetrators of this heinous crime be booked? With Suryagni Roy and Tapas Bairi and Raju Inamdar, Indrajit for India Today in Kolkata.
Joining me now, Dr. Sukhanto Majumdar, MP of the BJP, Shukendu Shekhar Ray, the MP of the Trinamool Congress. Appreciate both of you joining us. Shukendu Shekhar Ray, to you first. Is the Trinamool Congress responsible in any way? Your workers, according to the family, were responsible for this assault. Can you categorically say no Trinamool Congress worker was involved in this incident?
This incident has no connection with politics or election. And it is false propaganda being carried on by the BJP, and it is false to their knowledge. They are intentionally building up a false propaganda from day one against the Trinamool Congress, and as soon as the election dates were announced, they have geared up such false propaganda all over the state. But the people of the state, they understand what is going on. It is not Kashmir. that a war or violence-stricken situation
No,
is
let's be
prevailing.
very clear.
It is Mamata Banerjee.
No.
who
Mr.
has-
Shukendu Shekhar
who
Ray,
has- who-
Mr. Shukendu Shekhar Ray, in this instance, this is what the family is claiming, right? The family is claiming that they were attacked by TMC workers.
No connection. I told you, no Trinamool worker is involved in
Okay.
such incident. No Trinamool, I categorically state that no Trinamool worker is involved in this incident, and this has nothing to do with any politics or election.
Okay, Dr. Shukanto
This is
Majumdar.
actually built up by
Okay.
the BJP,
Okay, let
and
me-
it is false to their knowledge.
Okay, you believe this is false propaganda, and we've just got a twist to this, Dr. Shukanto Majumdar, because a relative of the man now has claimed that the elderly woman used to be regularly beaten up by the son. That this was a case of domestic violence. The woman was beaten up, used to be regularly. He's also now come on record, the relative, to say, are you playing politics? Even without allowing the police to do an investigation, you are already claiming that she was beaten up by the Trinamool Congress workers.
So this is the scenario of the Bengal, that every time any crime committed by the TMC goons, and it has been claimed by the TMC that it is not done by any TMC worker. Previously also more than 100 of our workers, they were either hanged or murdered, okay, in Bengal. But every time, TMC, Trinamool Congress, they claim that they have committed the suicide. So see,
No,
it
in
seems that
every time, no, 1 minute, Dr. Majumdar, every time the BJP also claims whenever there is an incidence of violence that the Trinamool has done it. In this particular case, your worker says 3 masked people barged into the house and thrashed him and his mother. He says, I cannot identify them, but I suspect that they were from the ruling Trinamool Congress. Based on that, you have started a full propaganda across Bengal, across social media. You must have hard evidence that they were Trinamool Congress workers. Where is the evidence?
No, first of all, you decide, Mr. Sardesai, whether a crime has taken place or not. If a crime has taken place,
Yes.
then there should be a investigation, proper investigation. Who are the culprits? Who are the involved? Then that is the duty of the police. The family is claiming that this crime it has been committed by the police, TMC goons. So investigation, they should lodge the FIR, and investigation should start immediately. And the truth should come, though we don't have any belief in this police system of TMC, because they have become the bonded labor of the TMC, because lot in previous time also that the police actually behave like a TMC worker, nothing else than more than that.
Okay. You know, Shukendu Shekhar Ray, Gopal Majumdar, the person who was attacked, whose mother also was attacked, says, it was dark, I could not see their faces. They abused me in filthy language. They abused me for being part of the BJP. Now, all of this happening, let's be clear, this is not the first such instance. The fact is a number of BJP workers have been attacked in Bengal. You cannot deny that. Now, who attacks BJP workers? Who is responsible for that? Is the TMC completely blameless? You are the party in power. The police isn't under your control.
Not at all. Can I give you one example?
Yes.
That one MLA belonging to the BJP party, he committed suicide. Why? Because he was involved in the embezzlement of fund in a bank. And they claimed that it was a political murder by the TMC. They went up to Rashtrapati Bhavan to submit a memorandum. No interruption, please, because I have not interrupted anybody. I have not interrupted anybody.
Yes, go ahead.
I have not interrupted anybody.
Go ahead.
Just
You are giving the false
how the
statement.
BJP goons, they behave.
Sir, you are giving the
I
false
must be
I'll
allowed
let you
to
speak. I'll let you speak,
Yeah,
Dr.
Sardesai,
Majumdar. Give me
Rajdeep.
half a second.
Rajdeep, I have been invited by you.
Yeah, go ahead. Finish your...
Rajdeep, I have been invited by
so
you
go ahead.
only. So, that MLA of BJP who committed suicide, why? Because he was involved in embezzlement of banks' fund. And when the investigation was going on, he committed suicide to get rid of the social stigma.
Sir, the fact,
now,
the fact
visceral
is several
report,
BJP
the
workers have
postmortem
been
report,
attacked.
Each matter is subdued, is everything substantiated.
I should get the chance.
No, not at all.
Sardesai.
Not
Okay,
at all.
yeah,
Our
okay,
MLA
you've
has
spoken
been
out.
killed.
Mr. Ray, you've spoken. No, Dr. Majumdar should respond. Let Dr. Majumdar.
Okay. Has been killed by the BJP.
Okay, let Dr. Majumdar now respond. Dr. Majumdar, you wanted to respond.
Mr. Rajdeep.
Yes.
Now at this point, I would like to challenge Mr. Shubhendu Shekhar Rai. Okay, go to the police record. Your SP, the superintendent of that police, previously said that.
Don't interrupt me, sir.
Don't interrupt me. He has committed the suicide, the MLA, but the CID investigation started. CID lodged FIR against two people. They have been arrested, and all FIR was lodged on the basis of the murder. That means the dharas they have been put there on all they are related to the murder, not any suicide. So please check your facts before saying anything on a national media.
I will ask both of you though to press the pause button. I hope that there will be a proper police inquiry. No, I hope Shubhendu Shekhar Rai, there will be a proper police inquiry. At least that's the least that family deserves. A proper independent police inquiry.
This is the habit of the TMC.
No. Yes.
Rajdeep, the problem is, unless there is CBI inquiry, nobody in the BJP will be happy. Because CBI is a case parrot as told by Supreme Court. They have only confidence upon
CID is doing the investigation.
They have full faith in CBI only. No CID, no state police can. And all over India, only CBI will investigate. No state police can come.
Well, I hope that the state police of West Bengal investigates and tells us sooner rather than later what happened to this 85-year-old woman. Let me leave it there. It's clear that the battle for Bengal will have all kinds of charges and allegations made. The truth must come out. The truth must come out in cases like this. Okay, we've completely run out of time, but I have time for my image of the day.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.